I'm Shark Puppet. And I've took over Leslie's channel.
I'm just kidding. It's just me, and I didn't make the unboxing video because I actually got way too excited, so I immediately opened.
You that because
Yeah, my brother is recording. I'm Shark Puppet.
Yeah, I'm Shark Puppet. You!
don't eat the screen, Shark Puppet.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Stop eating my cheese.
I think I can handle it.
That's a.
Hey guys, please subscribe if you're new to make sure to never miss another Shark Puppet video, okay? Thank you. And I don't know if this should be the end of the video.
It should. It should.
I want to show you guys something. I can move my nose. Have a good.
Can I please have it?
No, he's not yours.
I want to use it still.
I'll let you use him after the video.
You! But the video is not ending here
I
yet.
forgot to say hi to the people. Hi, guys. Hi.
They don't like you.
They do.
I need a scream outside. I can't go outside, yo. I meant.
Shark Puppet. Can you film yourself to my hand?
No, but I want cheese. They have cheese.
I will give you a cheese if you get connected to my hand.
No,
Junior!
I don't want to go through your hand. It stinks.
Wow. Here's Shark Puppet is bed, Leslie.
Wait, don't show it to the camera. The bed looks kind of messy.
No.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I don't want to make I made a face reveal already.
Leslie, can
I'll see you in the next video.
Leslie,
Bye.
Can I make